Around 4.5 billion years ago, our young solar system was a chaotic and violent place. Dust, rock, and newly formed planets collided, merged, or were thrown into space as gravity shaped the worlds we know today. Among these early worlds was a mysterious Mars-sized protoplanet that scientists now call Theia, and its destiny would forever change the future of Earth. Theia's orbit is believed to have been unstable, gradually drifting closer to the early Earth. At that time, Earth itself was unrecognizable, hotter, covered in magma oceans, and still forming its identity as a planet. Over millions of years, the orbits of Earth and Theia slowly converged, until one day, the inevitable happened. The collision was catastrophic. Theia slammed into the young Earth at an incredible speed, releasing unimaginable energy, far more than any volcanic eruption, asteroid strike, or natural event in the history of our planet. The impact vaporized entire regions, melted rock, and sent vast amounts of molten material into space. For a moment, both Earth and Theia were torn apart. But from this cosmic destruction came creation. Much of Theia's material, along with part of Earth's outer layers, remained trapped in orbit. These glowing streams of vaporized rock slowly cooled, clumped together, and over time formed a single stable body, our Moon. The Moon wasn't simply a companion that appeared in the sky. It was born from Earth itself, shaped by the violence and beauty of planetary evolution. Scientists believe that Theia didn't just create the Moon. It also became part of Earth. Deep within our planet, in the mantle, there may still be remnants of Theia's material, fused forever with Earth's interior. Some researchers even suggest that mysterious, continent-sized structures deep below the surface might be ancient Theia fragments that survived the impact. For decades, scientists debated whether the giant impact theory was correct. Today, multiple lines of evidence strongly support it. The chemical similarities between Earth and the Moon, computer simulations of early solar system dynamics, and geological clues hidden deep within our planet. Even now, researchers continue to uncover new details about this ancient event. Upcoming lunar missions, improved models, and future sample returns may reveal more about what Theia was made of and how much of it still lives within Earth and the Moon. The story of Theia is a reminder that even the most violent events can lead to extraordinary outcomes. The world we live in, the tides, the rhythm of night and day, and even the stability that allows life to exist. All of it may be the result of a single cosmic collision billions of years ago. Theia is gone, but its legacy shines above us every night. Every time we look at the Moon, we are looking at a piece of Earth, and a piece of the planet that helped create our home.